Hello and welcome to my EDF204 website and app presentation. We're looking at Padlet as well as If This Then That, or IFTTT. I'm Andrea. I'm a junior here at EKU, and I always knew I would work with kids. I love my job as a nanny, and I've been with the same family for 4 years. I find it very fulfilling, so ideally I will continue my work as a nanny, and I think my degree will only help me in that line of work. I stay busy, but I find the time to enjoy days with my loved ones and slowly but surely plan my wedding. Padlet essentially is an online live bulletin board. It's a great way to enhance brainstorming and assessment. Teachers can create a board for any lesson in many different styles. Shown here, this board is much like a conversation stream. Students can add ideas as they come to brainstorm. The other picture here shows a good example for a way for teachers to assess how well students are understanding a topic, as students can be asked to relay what they have taken from the lesson. A great thing about Padlet is that these boards can be an interactive part of a lesson or a separate task once the lesson is over. Helpful technology can be added to any board. Texts, hyperlinks, videos, pictures, and documents can all be added to any Padlet board. And of course, teachers can use these as a way to enhance the board and make it more personalized to each lesson and the students. IFTTT, or If This Then That. IFTTT aims to let our technology better serve us. The idea is to be more efficient, and efficiency can benefit any classroom. Think of IFTTT as a way to make our apps or technology talk to each other. For example, having a recipe for a classroom blog and Facebook can allow blogs to automatically be uploaded to a school Facebook. This cuts out a step in order to keep everyone more connected. IFTTT is the ideal app for encouraging more technology. The best part of IFTTT is that the apps we're dealing with IFTTT are likely apps that we already know, and we just haven't been using them in this way yet. Obviously, one size doesn't fit all, and IFTTT is very personalized. It works based on individual needs and preferences, so differentiation can be made a lot easier. Those with disabilities as well as English learners can enjoy IFTTT because it works with the technology that those students already use. Padlet is also a great tool for differentiation because boards can be unique and they can be modified to fit individual needs. For example, a Padlet board with videos rather than text is a great way to reach English learners.